So hello guys, and today we're going to vlog my special gifts for my sponsor. Ayan. Thank you to my sponsor, Her Bites. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, let's start now our vlogs and let's see. And guys, but please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. Ayan guys, diba? Na-miss nyo ang aking vlog, right? Ayan. So, thank you. Let's start.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
This is me again, Rob Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Well, mga kalindog, today vlogs is we're going to thanks my sponsor, of course, Mr. Her Bites. Ayan. Thanks for the sponsor, guys. Ayan, let's open what he gave to me for this February 14, but it's late, but it's okay at least, guys. Ayan, I have my gift for the Valentine's gift as a friends. Ayan, guys. So, mga kalindog, let's open or let's unboxing what it is. So, ayan. Thank you, Her Bites. Ayan, thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. You know, guys. Ayan, in-sponsoran niya tayo ng isang beautiful bags, a beautiful bag, and of course, ng sweets or ng cakes, no? So, ayan, let's do it, mga kalindog. So, ayan, o, diba? At take note, ayan. At ang kanyang gift is only like this. Oh, you see? So, let us start, mga kalindog. And let's open. Ayan, let's see. Oops, a lot of... Ayan, guys, it's like a Christmas. At yung mga papel-papel. Of course. Ayan, mga kalindog. Wait lang. Ayan, diba, parang he's tinamad na. He's lazy to boxing. But anyway, you know, man, guys. Think even he gave it to me some present. He's one of the kindest person I met here also in Germany. Ayan, guys, very thoughtful. Ayan. So, ayan, guys, tignan nyo, guys, mga kalindog, look at this, what it is. O, diba, so, ayan. Ano ba to, mga kalindog? Mukhang, ayan. OMG, ayan, mga kalindog. O, diba? This is from Charms. Ayan, Charms London. Ayan, mga kalindog, Charms London. OMG! Ayan! O, diba beautiful? Mga kalindog, o, diba? Ang ganda ng bag. So, ang kanyang name is Charms London. At look, guys, the color, it's getting a green and violet. Oh, it's all my favorite. So, diba, mga kalindog? So cute. Ayan, let's see inside. Ayan. Ayan, mga kalindog. He gave me also the receipt. But anyways, I don't show you. And look, guys, mga kalindog. They have also the fries. I will show you later. But first, let us see what is this bag. O, diba? Diba so cute, mga kalindog? O, diba? Very elegant when you're using. Ayan, hi guys. Ayan, diba? Definitely pang elegant and social, diba? Green. They're getting green and violet. It's my favorite, mga kalindog. So, let's see what is inside. So, ayan. This is the, if you're using like a handbag, guys. Only, I mean, in the, you know, what do you call that? It's a bag. So, this is like a handbag. Ayan. And this is a bag. So, ayan, oh, guys. Tingnan nyo. You will see talaga, na they so elegant, o diba? Ayan, guys, this is leather. He told me also this is a leather. Ayan. So, let's try, mga kalindog. Ayan, ha. Mga kalindog, I'm sorry I'm laughing because, you know, because he give me this, he don't care. He give me also the, what do you call that? The receipt or nakadikit pa yung kanyang price. Well, I'll show you later, mga kalindog. So, ayan. Of course, mga kalindog, ayan, let's see first. Ayan. He's with a zipper. Ayan. You can zipper. Ayan, like this. So, ayan, di ba? Naka-zipper na siya. And they have also the button. Ayan. So, you can close like this. O, di ba? So cute. Guys, ang cute niya. Promise. Ayan, o. Tapos yung kanyang, this product or this, things is like it's not a plastic, but it's not also, a metal. I don't know. It's like a, I don't know, guys. You see, oh, di ba beautiful siya? Kumikinang-kinang. So, ayan, guys. So, hindi siya basa-basa. You cannot open easily. Ayan, because they have the button and, of course, the zipper. So, ayan, mga kalindog. We can use like this also, right? Ayan, like a bag. O, di ba? Beautiful, mga kalindog. O, di ba? So, ayan. So, kung gusto na, if you want, guys, like a handbag, you can, of course, take it out. This, the garter. I didn't know what it's called this. But anyways, ayan, guys. So, I prepare using like a handbag. O, di ba ang ganda, guys? Beautiful. Ayan. Thank you, Herbites. Ayan, for your sponsor, the bag. And guys, I will show you. Wait, mga kalindog. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, ang tag. That's okay. So, guys, this is the name of this bag. Ayan, Charm London. And of course, ayan, guys. I'm sorry to show this. My sponsor. Ayan, the price. So, ayan, he don't take it of the price. Mga kalindog. Ayan, ay magpakita ng price. Diba? So, there is the price, guys. It's almost 80 euro. 79 and 99, right? O 79, 95 euro. O, diba? 79. O, diba ang ganda? At ayan, mga kalindog, of course, not only there, ayan ang kanyang sponsor na Kuchen. Ayan, guys, let's see what is inside. There we go. Ooh. Ayan. Oh my God, mga kalindog. This is 3 pieces. So, it's mean, I love you. I think this is all the blueberry or velvet berry. Ayan, guys. And ayan, meron tayong, this is with cheese and olive. So, ayan, mga kalindog. Oh my God, I can't wait to taste this cake. So, let's try first. Oh my God, mga kalindog. So yummy. So yummy and tasty. So, ayan, mga kalindog. So, guys, ayan ang ating sponsor. Let's taste first. Ayan, guys. Ito yung my olive. Ayan. This is like a kind of bread. Ayan, guys, with olive. O, ayan. I show you, mga kalindog. O, diba? With olive siya. Ang favorite. Yummy. Really taste na taste ang kanyang... Sorry, guys. They really taste the olive. And of course, ayan, mga kalindog, ang ating blackberry, velvet berry, di ba? Yummy. Pero guys, I prepare this. Look at this, itong donut with velvet berry. Yan, mga kalindog. Oh my God. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, mga kalindog. Ooh, ayan. Meron siyang cream and the blueberry. O, diba, mga kalindog? Yummy! So, ayan, mga kalindog, enjoy natin ang ating cakes. Ayan, ako. Thank you. Ayan, by the way, thank you to sponsor. Thank you. Ayan, nag-enjoy ako or mag-enjoy. I'm enjoying with my cakes. And of course, for the bag. Ayan. There we go, guys. To hear the bag. O, diba? Beautiful. You see the color. Nag-iiba-iba yung color niya. So, guys, ayan, I'm going to eat first and see you. No, hindi na ako naghugas ng kamay. I don't wash my hands. But anyways, ayan, thank you to my sponsor. Thank you so much. Ayan, guys, mga kalindog, I hope did you enjoy my video. So, mga kalindog and guys, don't forget to smile and see you again till my next vlog. Bye! See you! Don't forget to smile and subscribe. Bye, mga kalindog. Bye, guys. I love you all and I miss you. So, ayan guys, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. Don't forget to smile. Ayan, thank you guys. Don't forget also to subscribe.